I am sorry about that. I'm not sure what happened. I got disconnected for some reason. Hopefully everything's working now. Though I still can't see my chat. Let me check quickly, see what is happening. Just want to make sure that I am still live. Okay, yeah, seems to be fine. Not sure why I can't see the chat really. It is what it is. We'll yeah, I'll just have to deal with it. I'm not sure what is happening. Let me try just one more time to see if I can, but yeah, now it's up. Okay. Not sure what was happening, sorry about that. So what we were trying to do is actually just see if we really need these, as I think we may not need them. May not need these bit of removing the BR element, maybe it gets removed automatically. So let me just test it quickly, and come on man, just build. This copies the paragraph. Okay, yeah, just making sure again. And let's see, did I finish building? Yep. And let's do this. This is no, hello from yeah, technically we don't need it. If I can type properly. Just wanna check what is happening here. Okay, yeah, it seems to remove the BR element automatically, the line break element automatically. So technically we shouldn't need to, but let me just check quickly. Yeah, it's commented out, so yeah, I don't think we need it. So for now I'll just remove it. No need to have something that really isn't that useful. Okay, for some reason I have, well, no, okay, I don't have anything. Thought I have a breakpoint set. Okay, so I need to check one more thing, which is the following. What if we have this selected and have something like that, and then we paste. Okay, seems to have added 2 line breaks. I'm not sure why it did that. Okay, I think that would be... trying to figure out why it's adding 2 line breaks. Yeah, maybe we actually need this after all. 30. Let's try one more time. This is the one annoying thing about the pasting. I have to test it manually. I can't find a way to use Microsoft's Playwright, what we're using to test all the other basically functionality of the editor. There's no way to actually simulate paste events as far as I can tell. Let's see one more time. If we have this and we do this, yeah, it's adding 2. Okay, let's see exactly what is happening. Hello from and we add, and let's go to the debugger to see exactly what's going on in this case. It should be basically doing this. So if I do this, yep, it has a break. Oh, why did it? Okay. Could it be that? So it's not. So last paragraph is undefined. Now we should have this one, which is here. That makes sense. Last paragraph dot text content dot length is 0. Okay. I don't get what the hell is happening here. Let me refresh. Why is it doing that? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, maybe I just need to stop this. Yeah, sometimes it does weird things when let's do yarn start, so it produces an error because the component does not exist. That's fine, that's what we needed, and now we can do this and go here to build. Because it's doing something really weird where when I run it through the debugger it does something, but when I just don't go through the debugger it does something different, which doesn't really make sense because the code doesn't change. But yeah, let's see. So let's see what's happening here. Hello from React. It's still doing it. That doesn't make any sense. Why is it leaving that one behind? Okay, let me try something different. Instead of running it through the debugger, let's do this. So log no text content. End paragraph. So log last paragraph dot first child. Console.log last paragraph. I'm not even sure why I'm putting these ones where I'm putting them. Some of them don't really matter where I add them, but yeah, let's just see what happens. So we have this. I need the console, know that hello from so nothing happens, which is weird. Is it actually? So yeah, it has all of it loaded, so maybe this is one of those crazy instances where it just doesn't want to work. One more time, yarn start. Sometimes some of the updates just don't work even though they actually exist in the code and you can see them in the debugger, but yeah, they just sometimes do weird things. Okay, let's try one more time. Ignore this, go back to here. Doesn't make any sense. It's not doing anything from what How? From React. Let's go again to the debugger. Let's stop here. I wanna see what happens. We do this. Yeah, that works. So if we do F10, skips that. That makes sense. Last paragraph. And then now it's actually doing the console logging. Doesn't make any sense, man. This is the line break. That's correct. We remove it. The console looks like the last paragraph, which is empty. Okay, maybe that's it. Nope, it's not it. I honestly don't understand what the hell is happening. Because the debugger is doing everything that it should be doing. This is not. I don't really understand what the hell is happening. Yeah, technically we don't. I would say we don't need that. That really doesn't make any sense. Just doesn't. Okay, let me try. Let me try something different. Let's actually try this in Google Chrome, localhost, and let's see. Hello from Abdurrahman, React. Now, wow. Now this is doing the old thing. Okay. Yeah, remove TweetTextarea React. I'll delete the log file and generate again. Surely there's a better way of doing this. Like, does the various people who actually build like components for React have to go through this nightmare every time? Because it doesn't really make a lot of sense. But yeah, it is what it is. Let's do yarn build. Okay, cat package.json. Yep, it has it installed. Let's do yarn start. See if that makes any difference. Okay. Oh no. Why am I looking for? I'm looking for this disable cache. Let's refresh. Make sure that. So this. What? No. That doesn't make any sense. Source. Text area. Listeners. Where is it? Here we go. What the hell is happening? Okay, let's just do something else. Let's come here and just make sure that if last paragraph dot text content dot length equals 0 and last paragraph dot child nodes dot length equals 0, last paragraph dot append child document dot create element line break, and we'll copy this, do the same here, and let's run it one more time. Let's try Brave this time. Now that's because I haven't actually started it. That's fine. On build. Okay, that is successful. Let's see. Does this have? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, lovely. It doesn't have the latest thing. Come on. Yarn.block. Let's just get rid of it. Yarn. Let's reinstall everything. and hope that works. Okay, let's also do something in the node module. So it's like let's make sure that it has all the correct code here. It should be working. Please work. Waiting for type check results. No issues found. Okay, let's bring up Brave one more time. Localhost. Nope, it is not bringing it up. Yeah, this is getting ridiculous, man. Localhost, sources, yep, again, same thing. Any chance we can... No, use TweetTextarea React. Yeah, it's working properly. It's not bringing it up. That just doesn't make any sense. Okay, let me try something different. Maybe that will help. RMRF test app. Yeah, let's yarn create React template TypeScript test app. That garbage. Okay, cd test app, and let's just start it. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Go to enum source app.tsx, and I don't need this one. Import TweetTextarea from TweetTextarea React, and then TweetTextarea. see, yarn add TweetTextarea React package. Yes, it should have everything running properly. That's again in node modules, and we're gonna do end paragraph. Let's check here. Does have it. Yarn start. Okay, that loads properly, and that is loading the code properly, but usually does weird stuff. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. What about Chrome? I don't want it to be full screen. Let's go to the sources and see. Okay. It's loading the code. Okay. So it's working in Chrome. I think it just might be a case of Firefox freaking out. Let's see. Brave localhost 3000 sources. No node modules. This one has the code as well, so from not this. Yep, that's working fine. Okay. Okay, let's try it with the debugger, because if it works with the debugger, then I'll consider it working, and then we can beep, 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 beep. Okay. What? Okay, wait a second. Now there seems to be something different happening. Okay. Hello from that is a weird one. Let's see. End paragraph. Null. Why is it null? How's this null? I think I know what's happening. Yep. That's probably it. Okay. Maybe we have found something helpful finally. Let's go to the get parent paragraph. Before we do anything, if current node dot tag, if node dot tag, why can't I get the tag name? Let's see. Maybe node as element dot tag name equal p, then return node. I think yeah, that's fine. We'll fix this one as HTML paragraph element, and let's build it one more time. So it looks like Firefox was actually the more correct in this case. Let's see. Okay, that seems to be working properly now. Yep. Okay. Seems to be working fine. As far as I can tell, really. Okay, that's alright, not bad. Yeah, let's carry on with this. What did we need to do? The next thing we need to do is this. We just need to format the paragraphs now. So let's do this. Format each paragraph, and then we'll do const paragraphs to format equal start paragraph and paragraphs. dot slice 1, then paragraphs to format dot for each node. That's basically something different. Maybe what we should do in this case, okay, let me do something here. Let paragraphs to format equal this, and we will come here and instead of that we'll remove it. Paragraphs to format. What is your problem? Okay. That paragraphs to format, and we need to tell it that it's HTML paragraph element array. And then in here, after we do that, we tell it that paragraphs to format equal paragraphs. And then in here, what we'll do is the following. Okay, C5 will tell it that paragraphs to format equal start paragraph and paragraphs dot slice 1, and then we will just copy the formatting code copy all of this from here. What's wrong with you now? Okay, it's never red, that's fine. Come down here. And paste all of that here. Paragraphs to format. And then do this. Okay, what we need to do now is let's just make sure one thing before we do this. I need to make sure that everything is actually working properly, because the way I'm doing it here is a bit different than the way I did in the when I was like trying to figure this out. Like, I'm sort of doing some simple refactoring on the fly here. So if I just paste this, it does everything correctly, I assume. Yep, 3 paragraphs, one of them empty, and if I do hello from Rahman and paste that here, that works correctly as well. And if I do hello from Rahman, this is my React component. That also works fine. Okay, and hello from Abdurrahman. That works as expected. Let's also test this one. Again, works fine. So we just have one thing that we need to do. Which to handle like a specific case that happens when we're only pasting one paragraph. Add text from the first paragraph to be pasted to the stop graph. Just adding some comments here. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to handle one specific case related to setting the final cursor position. This is a special case. Basically, if we copy this one paragraph and come here to paste it, hello from Abdurrahman, and we paste that. As you can see, the text cursor actually doesn't end here, which this is where it should be. The reason is because we calculate the position based on the length of the text cursor here, of the text, like the text we're pasting, of the last paragraph basically. But because in this case we're only copying one paragraph, then the last paragraph is the first paragraph, which gets added to the start paragraph. So when the start paragraph basically has some text in it, we need to add the length of that text to the length of this to actually calculate the correct final position for the text cursor. So the way we're gonna do that is as follows. Okay, let me figure out where I'm going to add that bit. So I guess I'm going to do it here before I add any text to the start paragraph. So what I'll do is if paragraphs dot length equal 1, we will just say if start paragraph dot text content dot length equal undefined, return. Otherwise we'll do last paragraph length and we'll add start paragraph dot text content dot length. That should do it. No, wait a second. I don't think I want it to return in this case. I think this might not work properly, so let's keep it like that. If it is not undefined, we'll add it. And that should be it. Let me just Okay, I think that should be the everything working properly. Let's test it quickly and see. Hello from Abdurrahman. And let's first add this. Oh, sorry. I am hello from. Okay, yeah, that seems to work. Let's see how it works as well with the component. Yep, it does everything correctly. What happens? Hello from Abdurrahman. React, and let's just copy this. Yep, again, does everything as I expect it to, really. Yep, that makes sense. I think, let me test it here. Hello from. Yep, that's what it should do. So everything seems to be working, really. Again, this just works fine. Hello from Abdurrahman. This works fine. Hello from. Again. Yep, everything seems to be working. So that can call that success, basically. And as I said, because I don't have a lot of time today, I think I'll call it a day on this stream at the moment. Actually, let's do one thing. Since we are here, let's actually let's remove this because this is related to now we're not handling the paste event here, so we shouldn't need this bit as far as I can tell. Okay, let's go up here and let's paste. All of that is related to yeah, so we don't have anything now in the paste text in empty editor. Let's make sure we're not using that one in empty. Yeah, it's defined and exported. So if we come here and do this, remove it, then find this, we'll actually it will tell us that this is not used, so we need to get rid of it. So we will do this, and yeah, I would call that a day, and we'll do some refactoring maybe tomorrow, depending on my what happens tomorrow. I'll see if I'll be able to stream tomorrow or not, because tomorrow's not a weekend for me. So yeah, one last thing, let's just, for the sake of it, let's run the tests on desktop Firefox, at least on one browser, just to make sure that all of the default, like the original behavior that are not related to pasting text, are still working as we expect them to. And if they are, that will be it. Okay, everything passed, everything is working as it should be, yeah, that would be it. Thank you very much for joining today. Hope you enjoyed my struggles with the trying to get it to work properly, yeah, hopefully I'll be able to stream tomorrow so we can do the refactoring, and then yeah, publish a new release to npm. Thank you, have a good evening.